Hi, I'm Sherry with Crandall Office Furniture, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the side-activated cylinder on a Think V1 office chair. So the tools we need today are just a pipe wrench and a regular hammer to swap out these cylinders. First thing we're going to do is we need to flip this chair upside down and get it on a level surface. So this is going to be awkward because I'm awkward, but we're going to get it up there. It's going to be great. So once you have it upside down and level, we're good to go. So there are two cables that are underneath your chair. The one in the back, we're not worried about. That's not have anything to do with what we're working on today. The one that we're working on is the one that's hooked directly to the cylinder. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna unhook this cable just by pressing down and pulling it out like so. I tuck it to the back. Then the hard part. Okay, so the first thing we wanna do is you wanna get that pipe wrench to get a good bite on your cylinder. And you're gonna try to get a good grip on your chair. It's, again, awkward, but you wanna try to get a good bite on it and then, turn it, and it should lift right out, like that. Once you have the cylinder out of the chair, you wanna take your regular hammer, you just wanna knock it right out of the base like so. So now we're gonna install the new cylinder. So what you're gonna do is you're going to line it up. You've got a small end and a big end. You're gonna line it up in here. There's grooves on the bottom and you can feel where the wire goes. And then we're going to place the wire back and then snap it into place. So after your cord is hooked back in, you're gonna put your base back on, like so. You're gonna test your cylinder to make sure it works, and then you're all set. That's how you change the cylinder on the Think V1 office chair. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page. And then we test it, which I have it up all the way so we can't test it. All right, get on there. Did I swear? Okay, thank God. Like so. That was very awkward. We're gonna try that again. You're gonna have to cut because we have to lock these wheels. Once you have the cylinder, did you get that? So once you have it on a stable, level area, then you can get started on what's next, which that sucked, so we're gonna have to do that again.